In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. Clearing your cache is a simple way to fix common browsing issues like pages loading incorrectly, images not updating, or a website behaving as if it is stuck on an older version. The cache is a storage area where Chrome keeps temporary files to help sites load faster. Over time, those saved files can become outdated or corrupted, so clearing them can help Chrome load fresh copies of websites. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access settings and privacy options. In the menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. After you hover, click Clear Browsing Data from the menu to open the clearing options. A settings page or pop-up will appear with several choices for what you can remove. Next, click the Time Range drop-down menu. This controls how far back Chrome will clear stored data. Select All Time from the list. Choosing All Time ensures the cache is fully cleared, which is usually best when you are troubleshooting loading or display problems. Now you will see several checkboxes. To focus on clearing only the cache, uncheck the box for browsing history. This keeps your browsing history intact. Then uncheck the box for cookies and other site data. Leaving cookies in place helps you stay signed into websites and keeps site preferences from being reset. Make sure the box for cached images and files is checked. This is the key setting for clearing the cache. With only this option selected, Chrome will remove the temporary site files it has stored while leaving your history and cookies alone. When you are ready, click the blue Delete Data button in the bottom right. Chrome will begin clearing the cached files. Wait for the Settings tab to finish processing. Depending on how much data has built up, this may take a few seconds. Once it is done, close the Settings tab. Your cache is now cleared, and you can reload the website you were having trouble with to see the updated version. And that covers everything you need to know.